this shift knob
Yes.
has this rolling locket, okay, which locks actually the tires. This is a rolling launch. This is the arm switch. So this arm, you will see that it is coming on, right?
Yes, yes,
So this is just the arm switch.
Yes.
For this one.
yes.
This is for meth.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Boost Miners, and today we have Screaming Motors in their E36 2JZ. This guy is running M3 suspension, 800 horsepower to the wheels. You can't even put down that power. A very big Pulsar Turbo. They are the local dealers of Pulsar Turbo, and they're going to tell us more about this car. And I think the videos will speak for themselves. Have Divan here. He's gonna tell us more about this build. And the first question is just tell us what you've done to the car.
Okay, this is basically complete frame and chassis belongs to a 318 E36 BMW, and the complete suspension belongs to M3. So the rear cradle, subframe, arms belongs to M3 now, including the differential. Okay.
And tell us more about how did you decide to go for 2JZ? What 2JZ is this? I understand there are so many 2JZs.
Yeah, there are around 4 of them.
Yeah.
So this is specifically 2JZ GTE VVTi. So it is now, you can say, complete forged engine. We have built it from the ground, and it is having induction performance, top mounted individual coil pack. It has Pulsar Turbo G40 1150.
How much power can this turbo hold maximum?
It can hold up to 1000 plus 1150 horses. It is rated for.
Nice.
Okay.
And this car is rear wheel drive.
This is rear wheel drive. Yes.
Yeah. So you are putting how much power roughly right now?
Roughly, it cannot be so accurate, but roughly around 800 on wheels, 800 850 on wheels. Still we are doing revisions on the tune, still not yet finished, and just struggling a bit with the traction. Ordered new drag radial tires for it.
Yep.
It is doing boost by gear, so first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. On first gear, if I'm launching,
Yes.
so it won't be doing the boost, high boost, like it is doing on fourth gear. Okay.
Oh, okay. So
Currently
it's like
this setup is doing around 30 psi plus on a peak basis.
Yes.
Okay. So it's doing 30 psi or 32, around 32. So from first gear, if we start, if on first gear it's starting from 17, 18, second gear 24, third gear 28, 29,
Oh.
And fourth gear completely 31, 32.
No. Yeah, and this is an intake as well.
Yeah, this is just an intake so that it can suck cold air. Normally people in states they do not use these cone filters.
I understand you're the local distributor, local dealer for these turbos, this Passa.
Yes.
So what's the price range for this?
Price range actually differs according to your taste, application,
Yes.
and what is your goal according to that. But it starts from 80,000 going up to maximum you can say 120.
Someone comes to you and they want this build, exact build.
Yeah.
What budget are you giving them?
If you are looking past 1000 HP build,
Yeah.
your pocket should allow more than 8 million.
Wow. Let's just come to the rear of the car. It's these are Supra exhaust, you said, yeah?
Yeah, it was actually from Supra.
What brand is this?
This is Vibrant.
Vibrant, yeah? These are 275s, yeah?
These are 275s.
275s, and up front?
518s.
Up front, what are you running?
Front we are using small tire.
Small tire,
Yeah,
and
this 225.
225, yeah. Tell us more about Screaming Motors. I know this is your brother Jay,
Yes.
and you guys just started a few years ago. When was that?
Okay, me and my brother.
Yeah.
We started in 2019,
Yes,
and we are based in Karen, opposite Galleria Mall.
yes.
We does all type of maintenance jobs at our garage.
Any car.
Any car.
You have a V8. What platform
Yeah,
is
it is
that?
actually
W123.
Oh,
W123.
123.
With 123 from R129, a swap complete. And we can proudly say that we are the one and only in whole world to fix that thing running.
Running.
On many of the people, they have started that
Conversion.
in
Yes.
2014 and still not.
Thank you again, and let's get back to the car now and some exciting stuff, yeah?